Gamer 8642.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Go away, Michael. Okay, so anyway, as I was saying, we're back to playing. Don't press the button. So basically, this game is really random, and I love it. The funniest parts is when, well, there's no funny parts. Well, the best part is when I find the thing, is when I win first. I know the password stuff. I don't know the password. Stop following me. What do you mean? What? How? What was that? Oh boy, hot potato. Oops. Looks like he is dead. And he's just AFK. Let me get these. Gimme, those are my gems. Stay in the middle. It's the best tactic. Because it's easy. It goes fast. No worries. You just stay in the middle. Because it works. And my tactic is dead. Jeez, I suck at this. How? What do you mean? This feels like I'm just getting scammed. Whoa, oh my gosh. Oh man, what just happened? Now I'm stuck waiting for 22 seconds. I'm so bored. Hey, I like my old shirt. How dare you? Give me my shirt back. Hang on, let me just do something real quick. Yeah, invisible tag. What do you mean? How? How am I so unlucky? This is scam. And plus, there's like an invisible tag thing. You toggle that. It's yeah. Oh, don't tell me. Yay, good job, I guess. I hate this. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Vomiting random words. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh gosh, things are getting real hard here. Oh boy. Try not to fall. Oh gosh, what is this? This block is just getting in my way. Oh, come on. Yes! Let's go! Celebration! I'm going AFK real quick. Go ahead and go on. What? Oh, okay. Phew. I had to go AFK. Oh, that's cheating! You can't do that. Here's my name and speeds my game. Let's go. Fast zone. We both made it together. Yes. This is my competition now. Hey, stop getting into my shirt. And that's okay, because I like purple. You can do it. Aww. There's no they're so good. The triple bunch. Triple nip. Triple good. Triple pros. Yeah. I was right, bruh, I was right there. Oh boy. Bam, too easy. Easy win. Nobody will suspect. Why is she walking? Why is she, how? She does not see me. She sees me. Oh crap. Get away. Oh, he's invisible. What's up, homie? Let's go! My invis trick works once again. And I exploded. And I'm dead. Let's go. I thought I was going to get exploded, but no. Oh, I found it. My invis trick worked once again. I'm so proud in my invis career. Now you stand still? What do you mean? What was that? Oh shoot! Bah! Oh jeez. Bam. Sword fights. Gotta go invisible because you never know. Oh geez, I'm done. No! Aw, man! Ah, dang it. Why are we the only two here? Oh, wait. Yay, photographic picture. Wee-hee. Photograph picture. Yeah, look at that. That's a handsome guy right there. Say, who is that handsome devil, huh? No, I'm just kidding. That's all. I'm always the handsome one in the group. Okay, so I'm just gonna go something like this. And apparently, I hope I glitch. What? Oh, dang it! I was gonna go with a different approach, but no. I thought it was just gonna go like some way. Thought it was gonna go like, well, oh jeez. Oh jeez, I'm not gonna like this one. I always stand still. I'm just stuck. Let's like, get out of here. Stop cheating, dude. Cheating, boy. Yeah. What? Let's go! GGEZ for the win, boy. GG, oh man. GGEZ for the win, boy. Yep. Yep, wasn't gonna be the same one. Let's go! Oh, bro, this is sweet. Yes, let's pull it. Oh no, we're falling! It's just the three of us. That's all, just three. Oh, I got this one. Don't worry, I got this. Phew. That sounded like a creeper sound. Are we gonna explode? No way. Chicken dinner, let's go. Oh yeah. It's like we're losing some people. I'm going to be one that's standing on top. And you better believe it. Oh jeez. This guy's trying to get me. Take this. Eat snowballs, huh? GG's, I still won. Oh, we have more people. Okay. See ya. I'm just gonna go in this. Go in. Bam. No! As expected, I'm dead again. Jeez. Oh gosh. I'm dead again. Oh boy. Wait, hang on. I haven't seen this one in like ages. Oh, we're going this way. Hang on, I've seen this one, and apparently it's not much easy. Give me that. It's easier if you jump to grab it. Yoink. Yoink. Oh no, I messed up. Crap. This one goes here. And this one goes, no, I didn't mean to do that. No, I didn't mean to do that. No. This one's my beanie. This one's the color of my beanie, so I can just do that. No, what do you mean? and I'm not trying. Oh gosh, panic attack. Oh, come on! I won 10 points. Trivia question! I guess. Oh. Well, looks like we're gonna have this short. Well, looks like we're gonna have to end this video here. Make sure you like and subscribe, and please. Well, today. Well, all I really want is good music. Okay. So if you really like this video, consider subscribing. Hope you love my videos. Bye.